A garden of healing, your own herbs at home. Imagine the joy of nurturing plants that not only add flavor to your meals, but also offer a myriad of health benefits. There is something magical about growing your own herbs. The process of planting, tending, and harvesting these green wonders can be incredibly fulfilling. Imagine stepping into your garden and picking fresh mint for your tea. The invigorating aroma and the burst of flavor can transform a simple cup of tea into a refreshing experience. Picture the sweet scent of basil filling the air as you cook. This aromatic herb not only enhances the taste of your dishes, but also brings a sense of calm and well-being. This magic is something you can easily create yourself. With a bit of effort and care, you can cultivate a thriving herb garden that will serve you in countless ways. Growing a medicinal herb garden is a rewarding journey. It's not just about the end product, but the entire process of nurturing life and watching it flourish. It connects you to nature and the healing power of plants. Spending time in your herb garden can be a meditative experience, offering peace and tranquility. Herbs have been used for centuries to treat ailments and improve well-being. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the knowledge of herbal remedies has been passed down through generations. With a little care and attention, you can cultivate these natural remedies right in your backyard or even on a sunny windowsill. Whether you have a large garden or a small apartment, there's always a way to grow herbs. This guide will help you on your journey to growing your own medicinal herb garden. We will cover everything from selecting the right herbs for your needs to understanding their specific growing requirements. From choosing the right herbs to harvesting and using them, we will explore each step together. You'll learn how to create the perfect environment for your herbs, how to care for them, and how to use them in your daily life. Let's begin this exciting journey of growing your own herbs at home. Choosing your herbal allies: climate, space, and needs. These three factors are crucial in ensuring that your herb garden not only survives, but thrives. The first step to creating a thriving herb garden is choosing the right herbs. This involves understanding the specific requirements of each herb and matching them to your environment. Consider your climate. Some herbs, like rosemary, love warm weather. They thrive in sunny, dry conditions and can withstand drought once established. Others, like mint, are happy in cooler climates. Mint prefers partial shade and moist soil, making it perfect for gardens that don't get full sun all day. Think about the space you have. If you have a small balcony, you can grow herbs in pots. Container gardening is a versatile option that allows you to move plants around to catch the best light and protect them from harsh weather. If you have a large garden, you can dedicate a whole section to herbs. This gives you the freedom to plant a wider variety and even experiment with companion planting to enhance growth and flavor. Most importantly, choose herbs that meet your needs. Do you enjoy herbal teas? Plant chamomile or lemon balm. These herbs not only provide delightful flavors, but also have calming properties that can help you relax. Do you love Italian cooking? Basil and oregano are excellent choices. These herbs are staples in many Mediterranean dishes and can elevate your home-cooked meals to a new level. Remember, start with a few herbs that you love and use often. This will make your gardening experience more rewarding and ensure that you get the most out of your efforts. You can always add more variety to your garden as you gain experience. As you become more confident in your gardening skills, you can experiment with different herbs and discover new favorites. The key is to start simple and gradually expand your herb garden as you learn what works best for you and your environment. Preparing the ground sun, soil, and containers. Herbs love sunshine. Choose a spot in your garden or balcony that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure the soil is well drained. Herbs don't like to sit in soggy soil. If you are planting in containers, choose pots with drainage holes. Use a good quality potting mix. You can find potting mixes specifically blended for herbs. Before planting, loosen the soil with a garden fork or trowel. This helps the roots to grow strong. Now, your garden is ready to welcome your herbs. Planting your herbs is a rewarding experience. It connects you with nature and provides fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, growing your own herbs can be both therapeutic and practical. Gently remove the herbs from their pots, taking care not to damage the roots. The roots are the lifeline of the plant, and any damage can hinder their growth. Handle them with care, ensuring that the roots remain intact and healthy. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and place the herb in the hole. This gives the roots enough space to spread out and establish themselves in the new environment. Firmly press the soil around the plant to eliminate air pockets. Water your herbs regularly, especially during dry periods. Consistent watering is crucial for the health of your herbs. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You can check the soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. This simple test helps you determine if your plants need watering. If the soil feels moist, you can wait a bit longer before the next watering session. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Dry soil can stress the plants, making them more susceptible to pests and diseases. Regular monitoring ensures that your herbs remain healthy and vibrant. Feed your herbs with a balanced organic fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season. Organic fertilizers provide essential nutrients without the harmful chemicals found in synthetic options. This promotes sustainable gardening practices. This will help them grow strong and healthy. A well-fed herb garden is not only more productive, but also more resilient against environmental stresses. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Regular inspection allows you to catch any issues early before they become severe. Look for signs like discolored leaves, holes, or unusual spots. Remove any affected leaves and treat the plants with organic pest control methods if necessary. Organic pest control options include neem oil, insecticidal soap, and beneficial insects like ladybugs. These methods are safer for the environment and your health. By following these steps, you can enjoy a thriving herb garden that provides fresh, flavorful herbs for your culinary creations. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of using homegrown herbs in your meals. Gardening is not just about growing plants. It's about nurturing life and finding joy in the simple pleasures of nature. Happy gardening! Harvesting your herbs is the most satisfying part of the process. It's best to harvest herbs in the morning, after the dew has dried. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the stems. Fresh herbs are bursting with flavor and aroma. Add them to salads, soups, stews, and teas. You can also freeze fresh herbs in ice cube trays with water or olive oil for later use. To dry herbs, bundle a few stems together and hang them upside down in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. Once the herbs are completely dry, crumble the leaves and store them in airtight containers. Enjoy the flavors of your garden all year round. Growing your own medicinal herb garden brings joy and nourishment to your life. It's a wonderful way to improve your health, enhance your culinary creations, and connect with nature. Imagine stepping into your garden, inhaling the refreshing aroma of herbs, and harvesting fresh ingredients for your meals. It's a truly rewarding experience. So why wait? Start your own medicinal herb garden today and embark on a journey of growth, flavor, and well-being. Happy gardening!